Okay, so today we're going to talk about a strategy for addition called the give and take strategy. And we're going to use this problem string to show you what I mean. And so the give and take strategy is a little bit like our make 10 strategy. So I know that when you look at 36 plus 99, the first thing you're thinking is, hey, Miss Carr, that 99 is really close to 100. It would be way better if it were 100. So instead of having 36 plus 99, you could say you would rather have 35 plus, and then 99 plus 1, right? So you've taken 1 from the 36 and given it to the 99, so that now instead of 36 plus 99, you have 35 plus 100. And that feels a lot easier. So let's show that on the number line. I'm going to start here at the 99. And I'm going to add 1, which is from the 36, right? So now I'm going to add 1, and here I am at 100. And now all I need to do is add 35. So once I add 35 plus 35, I land on 135. And that is the answer to that problem. So do you see how when you look at these two numbers, you're thinking, oh, wow, you know what? If I could just make that 100, that'd be so much easier. And guess what? You can do it. It's like magic. It's called give and take strategy. So let's change our slide. And using the same strategy, we're going to try this with a slightly more difficult problem. So now we have a problem, 97 plus 78. And sure, you could take something from the 97 to give it to the 78 and make that 80, but wouldn't it be better if that 97 was 100? So let's write this out again. This time we're looking at 97 plus 78. And that seems like a really hard addition problem to me, but I know that if I can make that 97 into 100, it will be easier. So 97, and let me think about what I need in order to make 97 100. 97, 98, 99, 100. So I need 3. So I'm going to take 3 from the 78. And I know take away 3 is 5. So that means that 78 has turned into 75. 75 plus 3 would be 78, right? So that's where I get that. Now I'm going to draw my number line. Starting at 97, I'm going to add this 3 and land on 100, just as I had planned. And now I just need to add the 75, goes way over there, and I have 100, 175. 175. So this will end up looking like 100, right? Plus 75. So 97 plus 78 is 175, and that is a lot easier than thinking this way, 100 plus 75, than it is to think about 97 plus 78. Now we're going to try taking this to a new level. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, so no more baby stuff anymore. Now we're getting to where the rubber hits the road. So the first thing we're going to do is say, oh yeah, I like that. I'd rather have this be 300. So in order to do that, I have 299 plus 1, and that equals 300. And then in order to give the 299 1, I'm going to erase that. I had to take 647. I had to take one away from 647. And that gave me 646. And remember, whenever we're doing these complicated addition and subtraction problems, it is really, really important that your place value lines up. So I'm going to just make this yellow for just a second and remind you that you really do need to keep these place values lined up. If they get off to the side, get off kilter, then it becomes really difficult to do addition and you'll probably get it wrong. So 0 plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 4 equals 4. So we're just adding the place values, starting on the right-hand side and moving to the left. And 300 plus 600 is 900. So the answer here is 946. And again, the big idea here is that you can take a little bit from one and give the same amount to another. You end up with the same problem, the same sum, but it's a lot easier to add 300 to 646 than it is to add 299 to 647. So let's do a couple more. 443 plus 289. Well, let's think about that one. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 11 away from the 443 and I'm going to give it to the 289. And the reason that I'm doing that is that I know that 289 plus 1 is 290 and 10 more gives it, makes it 300. And so I would like this 289 to add 11. So I can have it be 300. And here I'm going to think, okay, 443 take away 10 is 433. And then I have to take that 1 away. So 432. So 432 plus 300 equals 732. Whew, you guys are doing the most difficult addition problems. I'm so proud of you. All right, 2 more. 554 plus 296. What are we going to do here? That's exactly what I was thinking. I was thinking, okay, 354 minus 4. I bet you guys already did this whole thing in your head. 296 plus 4, so that we can get that 300, and plus we have 0, 5, and 6. 650. 354 plus 296 equals 650. Who knew that it could be that easy? Isn't that fantastic? The give and take strategy, kind of like the make 10 strategy, but this time we're giving and taking from the numbers, and it makes life so much easier. This one's so obvious. If you know how to add to 10, you are already looking at this 380 the moment the slide came on the screen, and you said, oh, that one just needs 20 more in order for it to be 400. So you said to yourself, 380 plus 20, and that means we have to take 20 away from 456. Which means 400 plus 436, because 50 minus 20 is 30. So 436, and we can say 836. Who knew that you could do that so fast? So give and take strategy. Whenever you take something away from one number, you have to give that to the other number to make sure that the equations balance, right? Whatever's on the one equal sign. So this is essentially the same as 400 plus 436. So 380 plus 456 is the same as 400 plus 436. You end up with the same sum, and that is our goal. Our goal is to make our addition problems easier. And that is our lesson for today.